Now let us see example 7.12. Now see the question. A sphere, a cylinder and a cone are of the same radius, whereas cone and cylinder are of same height. Find the ratio of their curved surface area. So in our question they have given, so one sphere, one cylinder, one cone. Okay, so all the three shapes we have the same radius. So you know that in the sphere, this is the radius of a sphere. In the cylinder, you know that the top and base, bottom you have the circle part, so this is the radius, here this is the radius. Okay, after the cone, the base part, so that is the circle part, so this is the radius. So all the three shapes, the radius are same they have given. After, whereas cone and cylinder are same height, so you know that here the cylinder and the cone, so this is the height of the cylinder, this is the height of the cone, so both the heights are same they have given. Here also height is equal to r they have given, here also height is equal to r, both the heights are same they have given. After, we need to find the ratio of the curved surface area. So ratio of these three shapes, the curved surface area ratio we need to find out. Okay, so now see the solution. So first the required ratio, what are the ratio? CSA of the sphere is to CSA of the cylinder is to CSA of the cone. Okay, so you have to write. So this ratio only they have asked to find out. So can you apply the formula? CSA of the sphere, what is the formula? 4 pi r square is to CSA of the cylinder, what is the formula? 2 pi r h is to CSA of the cone, what is the formula? Pi RL. So here L value, slant height they didn't give. Height they have given, radius they have given, but the slant height they didn't mention. So slant height, this is the cone. So for find outing the slant height for cone, what is the formula? L is equal to square root of r square plus height square. So this is the slant height formula for cone. Okay, so now is equal to r square plus height, means here also height is equal to r only, height is equal to here. Okay, height is equal to r, so height is equal to r they have given. So height instead of, can you apply r? So height square, here r square it will come, instead of height you can apply r. So r square, so r square plus r square, you know that 2r square. So then after you can write square root of 2 into r square, mean r into r only. So this r 2 times you have, so 1 r can you make it outside? After square root 2 you have. So now L is equal to, L here what is it? L is equal to square root of 2 into r. Okay, so this is the L value. Now can you apply here? Equal to 4 pi r square is to 2 pi r into height value also r only, height is equal to r only they have given. So height instead of, can you apply r, is to pi into r, pi r into L. Now only we found it, that is square root of 2 into r. So that also you have to write. Okay, so since r is equal to height, here height where you have, here only height instead of r only we have written. Okay, after L value also we have applied. So now equal to 4 pi r square is to, here 2 pi r 2 times you have, so 2 pi r square you can write is to, here also r 2 times you have, so how you can write? Root 2 pi r square, r 2 times. Okay, so now here also pi r square you have, here also pi r square you have, here also pi r square you have. Can you cancel it? Now the remaining what you have, equal to 4 is to 2 is to square root of 2. Okay, so here also again you can simplify. Now the factors how we can, here root 2 you have, so this also all the 4 and 2 you have to write as a 2 table, like that you have to write. So you know that 4 how you can write, you can write as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Can you write or not? Yes. Now see this 2 times, instead of 1 2 outside you can take, this 2 instead of 1 2 you can outside you can take, so 2 2s are 4 only it will come. Okay, so 4 instead of we have written square root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 we have written. Okay, so after S2, here 2 you have, 2 how you can write? Square root of 2 into 2, can you write? 2 means that is 2 only, so you have written this one is to after root 2. So right, now you can see here 4 times, here 2 times, here 1 time, so 1 root 2 you can cancel, here 1 root 2 you can cancel, here 1 root 2 you can cancel. Okay, so the remaining what it will come? So now see 2 times, instead of 1 2 you can outside, into square root 2 it will come. Here what you have? Square root 1 root we have cancelled. Okay, so then what you have? Square root 2 is 2, here if you cancel it 1 it will come. So that is the answer, equal to 2 root 2 is to root 2 is to 1. Okay, so that is the answer. The required curved surface area is 2 root 2 is to root 2 is to 1. Okay, so that is the answer. Thank you.